I welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I will tell you how to shift your realities while you are sleeping, and in this video you will get to know about it in detail. You will get to know the steps you need to follow in order to shift your dream into reality. So watch this video till end. The only way to shift your dreams into realities is manifestation. The truth is that you can constantly shift realities all the time. With every decision you make, every reaction you have, every emotion you feel shifts you to a new reality. You shift realities every second, and there is an infinite number of realities to experience. The key to manifestation is to embody the emotion of that which you desire to have and assume you have it. If you want clear skin, but you always complain that your skin sucks, you are going to keep receiving that because you assume it to be true. So the key to fast result is to feel like you have your results and claim it to be so. So there is a key to reality, and you have to embody the feeling of being in your ideal already. It is easier to do, and here are some steps I am going to tell you in order to shift to realities. So guys, before talking about it further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will motivate us to make more such informative videos for you. Now, let us talk about the steps you need to follow. So you have to get into a comfortable position, whether that's lying down, sitting or soaking in the bath, whatever works for you. You have to just make sure that you are comfortable enough so that you are not too focused on your physical body. But you should not be too comfortable that you accidentally fall asleep. Secondly, you have to put on some binaural beats, specifically theta waves. The goal is to put your brain into theta state, which is ideal for manifestation. 6 Hz is the frequency which seems to work best. So you have to meditate after it for a while. Take deep breaths in and out, and you have to do it for 5 to 15 minutes. Then you have to repeat affirmation like I am over and over again. This will help you to focus your mind and not your current reality. You have to keep doing this until you feel a change in your physical state. You may start to feel light-headed or breathless. Your heart rate may increase. You might start to feel like your head is floating on your insides and everything is spinning, or like the world is fading away. This is detachment or entering the theta state. So you have to keep breathing. Lastly, you have to affirm that you are in your ideal reality. You have to repeat some affirmations like I am so grateful to be in my ideal reality, and you have to choose one affirmation that works for you. You actually have to make yourself feel that you are in your reality, and if you will not be able to feel, then you may get distracted or you may doubt yourself. So focus on your feeling. After focusing, you have to start repeating affirmation that affirm that you are in your ideal reality, and you have to say your name and all things related to you, and you have to assume that these affirmations are true. You have to feel them and you have to believe in them. After focusing on the feeling of being in your ideal reality, feel that you have a clear skin, that straight nose, that everything you want to achieve, a happy relationship, happy life. And at this point, you may begin to visualize your ideal reality. Your mind may create vivid scenes that is a good thing. You have to visualize those scenes and be grateful for them. When you are about to shift, you may feel physical sensations. You might get hot or cold. Your body might feel strange, or it's like moving on its own. So you will know when it happens. After this, you would shift. And that's it. After it, bear in mind, if this doesn't happen on the first few nights, you try, that is okay. You have to keep practicing in order to get to that state. And these were some steps that you need to follow every night before you go to sleep in order to shift your realities. So guys, I hope you got some idea about shifting your realities in your sleep. And guys, if you have any review regarding this video, then do share it in the comment box below. Also, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a beautiful day.